Hey guys, good morning. It's a beautiful day, a little rainy out here, Springfield, Ohio. What you need to know if you're considering buying a condo. So we actually have a contract right now for a buyer, and we're to the point where the lender has done pretty much everything that they needed to get this thing to closing. But we've been waiting to get the HOA information, and this is where things get really screwy. The HOA is so loosey-goosey. They don't have a set budget for repairs. They don't have any formal, because it's a really small HOA, so it can't be insured. The mortgage can't be insured, even if, and the right Pat is doing a loan, good company, but they can't insure this loan because there's no formal, whatever you consider formal to be. There's no budget, and the HOA, there's a president, but again, it's just been very run loosey-goosey, so to speak, is how they put it to us, that they're not going to be able to insure the loan. Also, if you're considering buying a condo to keep it as a rental property, you need to look into the HOA to see if that's even allowed, because a lot of people will want to buy a condo and say, well, I just want to put my brother, put my cousin. A lot of condos only have a very small amount, if any, rental properties in the HOA, and they do that to try to keep the values up by retaining only owner occupants in the property. So condos are a little bit different. So if you are considering a condo, you got to make sure that your realtor and the lender understand from the beginning what the HOA is like, without having to go and waste time on the appraisal, and really dive deep into the HOA to see what's possible and if you're going to be able to get the mortgage insured, because that's what the lender requires. They require for the mortgage to be insured, so that way in case there is a default of any kind, that they would be protected. So anyway, so hope this brought some value to you guys. Heading over to our office meeting this morning in Northampton, meeting with the team, going over our numbers, talking about what we've got coming up, what buyers we're working with, what properties we have coming up. Number one priority, we're looking for our exclusive buyers list first, and then we're looking for other properties that are coming on the market. I'm actually checking out a property in just north of Northampton today on 5 acres. Owner's thinking about selling in a couple months, so getting prepared. That's what it's about. It's not about waiting till the last second. It's about being prepared. A lot of people are still kind of worried about what's going on in the market with the interest rates. So we'll see what happens. If you guys do need an up-to-date CMA on your property, just to see how you've been impacted, if there has been a decrease in the value potentially, or if there's not been any change to it. We're still seeing a very aggressive market, even with the higher interest rate. So if you guys have any real estate questions, you can call me, Matt, Tim, Joyce, Cassie. Always available for you guys, and we're just a call away. So